Nowadays, millions of people use mobile phones in their personal or labor scopes. But someone may think that displaying their phones on a computer is difficult. It is not the case anymore. Now you have FonePaw ScreenMo. ScreenMo is a screen sharing tool for Windows operating systems that allows you to wirelessly mirror and record the screen of your iOS or Android devices without requiring cables or a jailbreak. With FonePaw ScreenMo, you can share the mobile game on PC with no lag and capture the gameplay in 1080p. Cast and record a video or online meeting from a browser tab without interruption. Also, you can attend meetings, training courses, or make presentations without carrying lots of documents and tables. With a few clicks, and choose the quality of the resulting video, then you can export the recording that has captured all your actions carried out on the touch screen. Now, stream your screen to PC and enjoy media on a bigger screen with FonePaw ScreenMo.